guys, and I'm excited. So this is our second day on the Southwest tour.
Take your share 23!
Apron. Chris has got it going on. Monsters Inc.
Yeah, baby. Thank you, bro.
I read Chris's book. Totally amazing. This room is so full of energy, and we are so thankful to have you here. And I can't wait to see the results.
I just got married, and I just got a new house. So basically.
So we just got done with Chris's first AM training here in Dallas, and I think the message that we're sending out is absolutely what we need.
You're in the market for some flooring. Is there any specific type? Looking for carpet?
Oh yeah, I'm looking at carpet.
Carpet, okay. He also gave you a perfect opportunity, and he mentioned 4 kids. That would have been a great way to say, wow, 4 kids. I mean, well, I got 2 kids. I mean, 2's hard enough. I might have said, wow, 4 kids, that's really ambitious. How, what ages are they?
Great class, so timely. We need more of it. We've been waiting for this for too long. Thank you so much for what you're doing to help our specialists sell more.